Tiny reviewer. Have you heard of Hershey's Mr. Goodbar? Chocolate candy with peanuts. So, since it says it has peanuts, if you're allergic to them, don't eat it. Sorry if you like chocolate but can't eat it. I'm not allergic to it, so I can eat it really. Now I'll be reading some labels. So it says chocolate candy with peanuts, turn over, roasted peanuts in every bite. Sounds delicious. The price varies depending on size and where you're living. I got this for $1.05 at a local store. You can also buy this on Amazon. Since the pandemic, we cannot go outside often as we could have if the pandemic did not exist. Now let's open it up. I believe this will be pretty easy. Oh, I see a bit of chocolate right here. So I'm not good of an opener and I am with candy than with chocolate. Whoa, my goodness. Oh, you guys see the peanuts? So it looks like this is what it will look like. So let me just put the whole bar down on a plate that's next to me. Oh, it's broken already. That's very soft of you. That's about how much. Let's divide it. My dad was the biggest, my mom, and me. So that's a way to divide it for your family, depending on size. But anyways, equally is the best. I'm gonna see what's inside. So it looks like it's peanuts. So I already broke it, so I don't have to break it up for you. But let me open it up. Roasted peanuts. So let's taste it. So those who cannot eat it because you're allergic to it, I'll just taste it for you. Napkin, please. I like this chocolate. It's way better with peanuts than without peanuts. Without the peanuts, if you didn't eat the peanuts, it just tastes like a Hershey, like the Kisses. It tastes like that. I'm kind of impressed with this chocolate that came out in 1925, literally 100 years before us. So I personally like this. So now I'm gonna break it in half again. So there's like literally everywhere is peanuts. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed and subscribe and press the like button and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!